Alright guys, just wanted to send you or give you guys a quick update on the KA24E. I think the last time I had this, the head wasn't on the block yet, so I now have the cylinder head on, again prepared by Rebella Racing. I've got brand new rocker arms installed as well. These have been soaked in oil, so they should be good to go, as you can see. I've also got a brand new timing chain and sprockets installed. It's got new timing chain tensioner. As you can see, I've already got the timing chain cover installed, and I've cleaned up the bolts so they're not so dirty. I've also chased the threads on them. Next thing I'm going to do is install the water pump, install the oil pump, and and then maybe the bottom, the oil pan, and then the valve cover is waiting to get painted. I've got it stripped of paint. It's sitting under the sun right now, trying to get dry, and then I'm going to clean it and then paint it. So it's going to go wrinkle black, factory style. And yeah, so just the valve cover, thermostat goes here, oil pump, water pump, and oil pump, and it should be good to go. It should be ready to go to the car soon after. I'm going to be harvesting the oil filter location, the pulley, crank pulley, as well as the brackets for the AC and alternator, things like that. Those are going to come off the block that's in the car right now. So yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update. Next time you see this, it'll probably be all ready to drop into the car. So, peace.